Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Monday. Hope everyone had a good weekend. Everybody is safe and staying warm. We have another. Look at this. Oh no. It is snowing outside. Coming down pretty good out here in Michigan. So, definitely staying indoors. Got a Amazon Prime Pantry to do. You guys can see what they have to offer. And if you guys want to make purchases, I'll leave the link down below. And really cool, easy to sign up, fast shipping, and you get some munchies delivered. They got a lot of stuff though on Amazon Prime Pantry to go shopping with. So, in case you don't have access to a car or you don't have a ride out to the grocery store, this is another good way to go. And get some good stuff here. I'll show you what I got. There we go. Oh boy. It is cheese number one. Oh yeah, definitely one of my favorites. The Grooves Zester Cheddar Ranch. Got that. And we got another one. Zesty. And we got another Pepper Jack. Oh yeah. And we got the original OG, the big kind edition. So I've never seen these before. And we got here another one. And we got more cheese that's coming. Oh yeah. We got extra toasty. Ooh. And definitely haven't tried these yet. Cheese pizza. Oh, baby. And we got another cheese pizza. Now we got some other different goodies. We have here fudge covered Nutter Butter. Haven't tried these. So something new. And we have here, let's go with the OG classics. Slim Jim, snap it to the Slim Jim. Oh yeah, good old Macho Man, rest in peace. This looks weird. Hot dog relish. Looks like mustard though. It's not green. Is that normal? I don't think this is old. Nope, got till 2020 next year. But look how I'm used to this stuff looking green. But it's like yellow. Interesting. Alright, and then now we have also some of these. Nutri-Grain, strawberry filled Kellogg's. And then Walker's shortbread, pure butter, shortbread sticks, and definitely had to go with these all-time favorite cookies. Famous Amos chocolate chip. So like I said, really easy to do, and it takes a few days to get it, but no damages here. Everything looks good. Nothing is old, expired. So give it a try. Like I said, I'll leave the links down, and you just gotta go to Prime Pantry and add it to your cart. Go shopping. So, all right, YouTubers, that's it for today. Be safe. Stay warm, and see you guys soon.